guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bree here, and today I'm going to be unboxing my spring FabFitFun box. I'm so excited. I love this packaging. It's got butterflies all over it, and it's pink, which is one of my favorite colors. So as we have all come to expect, the first thing that you always get in your box is your magazine. This is actually my favorite part about the box because everything that comes in these boxes, they have little fun facts about stuff or how to use it. And best of all, they have what the price would be if you were to buy these items without getting them in a FabFitFun box. There's even a butterfly sticker. I love it. I'm feeling the spring vibes here. Oh my gosh. Okay, where to start? We'll just start with this. I have no idea what this is. So this is, I don't know how well you can see it, but it is a watermelon energizing 2-minute polishing peel, which is normally $35. Infused with extracts of watermelon and lychee and glycolic acid, this polish will give your skin a burst of freshness. So you have to put it on a wet face, let it sit for 2 minutes, and then rinse. So it's kind of like a face mask, a polishing peel to gently resurface and smooth skin. Well, I love watermelon, so I will probably like this. I'm not gonna try to put it on right now because my face isn't wet, and that would be a whole different kind of channel. Okay. Ooh, this next item is called Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, a multitasking beauty sleep saver for better nights and brighter mornings. And so this is a lotion that is to be used to bring calm and relaxation while nourishing your skin. This is normally $40. That's a really expensive lotion. But it has some lavender and chamomile in it. So it says this is a 2-in-1 beauty sleep solution. I'm really excited to use this because after I take a shower, my skin is really dry, and this might be really relaxing to use before bed to get a good night's sleep. Okay, next we have fast food. Literally, it's called fast food. This is a leave-on conditioner for your hair. It's an interesting name for some hair lotion. Fast food. It's making me hungry. So this is normally $24, and it's for frizzy or dry hair, just a leave-on conditioner to moisturize and help with split ends. I'm looking forward to trying this. I don't have a very good leave-on conditioner, and as you can tell, I have bleached my hair in the past, and when you have bleached hair, you have split ends. They just split. So hopefully that will maybe help my hair stay soft all the time. It's really soft right now because I just had my hair done. But it won't stay like this. But maybe it will with the fast food. Okay, and so next we have straws. Oh, you can never have too many straws. I'm all for these reusable straws. And if you have straw cleaners, which it looks like this one comes with, oh my gosh, these are fun colors too. Look at how fun these are. And it comes with, there's a brush cleaner in it. I have no idea what this is. Oh, a container. Probably. A portable carrying case. You can clip them to your keys and be ready to go. Kind of looks like a big pill. But I guess these probably, they're silicone, so they just fold up. I'm gonna take out this pink one because I like the pink. But yeah, you can just fold up your straw and pop it in your pill and go. And boom, you got a straw when you go to the restaurant. And just pop it out. Straw. And then just make sure you wash it when you get home. But I'll have to try that. This will be my second set of reusable straws, and I don't really use the other ones as much, but they're metal, and I found out that I don't really like metal reusable straws because they kind of like ting against your teeth. So this might be nice because you can kind of just throw this back in your purse and it doesn't take up as much space as like a full metal straw that doesn't bend. So these were originally $15 if you wanted to purchase them by yourself. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, this is really fancy packaging. So this is a detangling brush. The packaging's like really nice. I'll open it up. So this one was originally $35. It's a brush for all hair types. The extended bristles offer easy detangling and reduce stress to the hair and scalp. So this is just like a regular brush, but it's pretty. Like it's got a nice like rose gold shiny finish. And yeah, it's just a regular brush. My hair's not knotted right now, so it's not a very good demonstration of whether or not it's detangling. I have a wet brush that I love, so it'll be interesting to see how this compares to my wet brush, because my wet brush is really nice. But this one's bigger, like the paddle is bigger, like you can see with my hand, like that it's a bigger square brush. So if this works as good as the wet brush, I'll be very pleased, because it would be nice to have like a bigger version of my wet brush. Just because I have a lot of hair and it's really thick. I like that. I'm definitely gonna use this. So this, ooh, I'm excited about this. I know what this is. This is a sweater coat, and I actually picked this item as a select member. And I'm really excited about this because I thought this was a great color. And it's like just a really nice neutral color. Here, I'm gonna try it on for everybody. Just, oh my goodness, I love it. So I have started to really love these like cardigans. Maybe it look, oh, I think it looks okay with this shirt too. So, ooh, there's even pockets. Oh, I didn't even know that. That wasn't even advertised when I picked it. So this is the, oh god, this is nice and lightweight. So I really liked having these, even if just like for like, I've been working from home right now, writing my dissertation, and I've been throwing on just like a cardigan to stay warm, like while you're just writing. And I really enjoy having these for an office space, or really just for a more like professional look than just having like a hoodie. So I'm really excited about this. I'll have to look in the video and see what this looks like after I'm done, but it feels really nice. It's really lightweight. So this was originally $99. So considering that this box was only $49, this is a steal. So I'll take it. Okay, so what do we have? Oh yes, yes. Dun 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 dun. It's a gravity mask. So I have always wanted one of these, mainly for traveling. When I'm on an airplane, I can't sleep on an airplane, but I've always wanted one of these to relax. Just because sometimes you want to mix it up, or sometimes you have a headache and you just want some pressure on your eyes, and this is a weighted gravity mask. It's actually really heavy. This is originally $40. But it's weighted, so it can kind of put pressure on like pressure points. This is heavy, like it's, let me put it on for you guys. It's got like a nice Velcro closure so you can like sleep with it. It like blocks light. Oh my gosh, it feels like so stress relieving. Like I've been pretty stressed out this week, and y'all, this feels glorious. Like just, oh my goodness, I better take it off before I fall asleep on video. This is great. I've wanted one of these, but I haven't wanted to spend the money. I just realized I could just slide this off. Oh wait, where's my brush? Let me fix my hair. There we go. This is a good box. I'm excited about this. Okay. So we have a nice cardigan and a face mask. Is there? Oh, there's still more to go. I think this is the last one. And I know what this is. This is, oh gosh, there's a lot of, be careful if you get this box sealed. They put a lot of little things in here and they're flying out at me. I'm a little too excited. They're just coming out. And just keep coming. Okay. Ooh, this box is cute. I might have to keep this box. Okay. So these, oh, these are nice. So these are packing cubes. I'm really excited about these. I have a pair of packing cubes, but I actually picked these on the, like if you're a select member, you get to pick some of your products that come in your FabFitFun box. And I am really excited about these, and I'm going to show you why. So I actually have a pair of packing cubes that I love. I got them when I went to Europe, and they were life-changing. It was literally like having drawers in my suitcase. If you don't have packing cubes and you travel at all, you should invest in some. You might even want to invest in these. The reason that I decided to get these cubes, so these cubes, before I get started, are the CalPack set of 3 packing cubes in sorbet or tutti frutti, and these are originally $40. And so I got the sorbet. The tutti frutti had fruit like all over them, but I kind of just really liked the color of the sorbet. And so the thing that I like about these, let me just open one just to show you. Take out these little packets and take these out. So as you can see, it's like this is just the biggest one, and you can put your clothes in there, fold it up. There's like a little name tag if you want to slide in. There's a tab that you can fill out and label if you're maybe sharing with your partner or your spouse. And the thing that I really liked about these is on the backs there's a zipper. And if you open this zipper, you can store like your dirty laundry or anything in this extra zipper. And there's like this can add a lot of space to your cubes. So the packing cubes I have right now don't have a zipper like that, and I just love that, and I just wanted to get these packing cubes. And of course they have the mesh, which keeps your clothes breathable, they don't get musty. And so literally all of them have that zipper, and I'm just ready to travel somewhere and use my packing cubes. Probably after my thesis defense in a little less than 2 weeks. But yeah, so that is everything that was in my FabFitFun Spring box. Thank you guys for watching. And I just lost my train of thought. But yeah, I think that's everything I want to say. Thank you guys for watching. I've kind of cut down on some of my subscriptions, so I haven't posted in a while. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this in the future, and yeah, I hope that you guys have a happy Valentine's Day, and I will see you next time I get a subscription box.